If you remember, in minor scales, we had two seventh scale degrees. One was the leading tone when it was a half step away from the tonic, and the other was a subtonic when the seventh scale degree is a whole step away from the tonic. Now, the leading tone triad we're going to talk about in a few chapters, but the subtonic triad is found pretty frequently in the circle of fifths progression in minor keys. So it'll start off with 1, then go to 7, the subtonic, 3, 6, diminished 2, 5, and 1. It's a very common chord progression. Since the subtonic is the interval of a second, then you're going to follow the part writing rules from the previous chapter. So let's take a look at that and see how that works. If we're in the key of A minor, then of course this is a 1 chord. Let's give the soprano C, alto A, and that means the tenor will get E. Okay? Now, we're going to the subtonic triad, and this is root movement by second. Remember, the rule is that the bass and the upper three voices should move in contrary motion. So, the bass is moving downward. That means the upper three voices need to move upward. All right, so let's see if we can make this work. Got G, 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 D. Okay. Soprano can move up to D. Alto can move up to B. And tenor can move up to G. Okay. And that's how we would use the subtonic triad. Okay? Do some practice with this, and then we're going to talk a little bit more about this circle of fifths progression in the next lesson.